Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of ActivePresenter. In version 10.5, we have introduced one of the biggest upgrades to the e-learning authoring experience, the brand new AI assistant and the MCP Connect integration. These powerful features are designed to completely transform the way instructional designers, e-learning developers build courses inside ActivePresenter. You can now use natural language commands and external AI coding agents to automate your workflow faster than ever before. If you haven't installed the latest version of ActivePresenter yet, you can download it from the link in the description box below. And now, let's get started. So first, let's open the new AI Assistant workspace. Launch ActivePresenter 10.5 and open an existing project or create a new one. Next, navigate to the AI tab on the top ribbon. Then click AI Assistant. This will open the dedicated AI chat on the right side of the screen to balance safety and automation. ActivePresenter 10.5 provides several permission modes for the AI Assistant. You are no longer limited to a single AI engine. Using the built-in model selector, you can switch between leading AI models from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google directly inside the AI Assistant panel. You can even adjust the AI thinking level depending on how complex your request is. Another major upgrade is multimodal input support. With this powerful feature, simply write your prompt in natural language and the AI Assistant will handle the rest. While the built-in AI Assistant is optimized for rapid content creation, advanced developers often need deeper automation and coding abilities. That's why we introduced MCP Connect in ActivePresenter 10.5. MCP Connect transforms ActivePresenter into a local model context protocol environment. This allows external AI coding agents like Claude, OpenAI Codex, or Gemini CLI to interact directly with ActivePresenter and control your authoring environment. Before connecting any external AI framework, you first need to enable ActivePresenter's local MCP server. Toggle the connection switch to start. Once the MCP server is running, you can connect compatible AI frameworks through your terminal environment. Each framework follows a similar workflow. Install the external AI agent, configure the MCP endpoint, authenticate the connection, and start interacting with ActivePresenter directly through AI-powered commands. This setup enables advanced automation workflows that would normally require extensive manual scripting. For a more detailed instruction, please read our blog and the MCP installation guide of each provider in the description box below. And that's an overview of the brand new AI Assistant and MCP Connect features. Together, these two systems create a powerful balance between natural language authoring and advanced developer automation for a power user. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more news and updates from ActivePresenter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.